Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious chocolate pastry cream. This is not overly sweet and it's perfect for using as fillings in cakes. I actually like to fill my eclairs with it, or you can use it for cream puffs. Now, the great thing about this recipe is you can actually pipe it. It's delicious and it's really easy to make. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on today's episode of the Scran line, I'm going to show you how to make this ultra smooth chocolate crème pat, as they call it, on pretty much every episode of British Bake Off, which I'm obsessed with, by the way. This is really easy to make. Let's get started. You're going to begin by heating your milk in a medium-sized saucepan on medium heat. You don't want to have it on high heat, it's going to burn. Now, when you see little bubbles forming around the sides, you know it's good to take off. You don't want to let this bubble or froth. Once that's heated, you want to take it off the heat, and to a large mixing bowl, you want to add some cornstarch, flour, sugar, and some cocoa powder. You're going to whisk this to combine, then add the egg yolks, 6 of those, and whisk until smooth. Slowly add the warm milk to the egg mixture, very slowly while you're whisking. You want to add this slowly because you're kind of slowly introducing the heat from the milk into the eggs. If you heat it up too quickly, you risk those eggs curdling and cooking, and that's not what you want. You don't want lumpy pastry cream. Once you've got all of your milk in there, you're going to whisk it until it's well combined, then pour it back into your saucepan. On medium heat, you're going to continue mixing this while stirring continuously. Add your chopped chocolate in there. It's going to add a little bit more sweetness than regular pastry cream, but still, this is not an overly sweet pastry cream, and it's more cocoa-y than anything else. That chocolate is going to melt and your mixture is going to begin to thicken. Once it's completely thickened and bubbles start making their way through the thickened pastry cream, turn the heat off and add your cold butter. You're going to mix this until that butter is completely melted into the pastry cream. It's going to make it so gorgeously lush, rich, and just silky and shiny. Now, my pastry cream is not lumpy, but just to be on the safe side, I want to pour this through a sieve into a large mixing bowl, and look at that. Okay, there are a couple little lumps in there. We don't want those in there, so get rid of those. Cover this with plastic wrap and let it chill for a couple hours or overnight. Then use a whisk or a spatula to smoothen it out and remix it before you use it. This stuff is great to make ahead of time. You can store it in the fridge in an airtight container. Guys, you could eat it with a spoon, which is exactly what I did, and I fed this to Zoe and she loved it. It was her first taste of chocolate. She was actually looking around the room when I went away to the kitchen, kind of like, where is the rest of that? Where did that come from? Anyway, recipe is on my website, thescranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more kind of basic recipes like this, let me know in the comments down below. What do you want to see from me? Have a great day. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye.